YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to my channel, hit the subscribe button as well as bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the top picks in cryptocurrency. Guys, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. Today, we're going to talk about some XRP. We're going to talk about some Bitcoin. Before we get into it, I got to let you know, as always, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, just the homie Crypto J. We just talk about what's trending. We just talk about cryptocurrency on the channel. So you guys could see total market cap today coming in at a 2.75. Fear greed index coming in at an 18. And Bitcoin looking mighty volatile today, but coming in at 84. Pumping, right? Looking pretty good. Maybe we found some support down there at that 78K range after all, right? We do still need to see some positive closes, right? I need to see, in my opinion, I want to see a weekly close above 89 on Bitcoin. That would be huge for our weekly candle to be able to close that high. That would be, in my opinion, an indicator that we have seen a bottom. So that's kind of what I'm looking for out of Bitcoin right now. Again, good solid price action. Maybe we could see another retest of that 85. And I told you guys, these corrections, man, they go down fast, but they can also go up pretty fast. As you guys could see, XRP performing super nice right now. As I was telling you guys, XRP would probably be one of those coins that would be in high demand because, again, just based off of prior pumps, XRP has been performing pretty nicely. We do still have to pay attention to the fact that we got a rising wedge forming here, though, and that, you know, XRP on the grand scheme of things is still looking a little bit sus. We're looking better than we were yesterday. Again, breaking up to 236 today, but we do need to start seeing this thing continue to break up into the upside, right? Possibly could have formed some kind of a wedge here and now seeing a breakout again at that $2 mark, but we do not want to have a retest of that $2 mark. That wouldn't be so hot, right? Also, if you're looking at our all-time here, we might have a bull flag playing out as well on our logarithmics too. So that's another thing that might be pretty bullish for XRP. Definitely paying attention to this coin on this dip. I told you guys that. I was even saying, somebody had asked me about a $4 XRP and in April, and I said, you know, I don't rule it out. I think it could be a possibility. Again, it's going to take Bitcoin really picking up in volume. We have not seen a full confirmation that we've seen a bottom yet. I would say that we've seen a confirmation if Bitcoin can close again that weekly candle at around 89. That's when I would be like, okay, I'm feeling a lot better about this bottom. Till then, we're seeing a lot of volatility, I'm assuming. But right now, again, I'm looking for these coins that are what I like to think of as outliers, these ones that are constantly performing on these dips, because in my opinion, I feel like these are the coins that retail is going to be looking for. I feel like these are the coins that people are going to be in anticipation of because they're already showing that there is a demand even on a dip. So again, I'm paying attention to every single dip, and every time these coins pump, I'm seeing what's trending. I'm seeing headlines being made. I'm seeing what headlines are being made. And it just seems like week in and week out, it's XRP all over Twitter. And so again, I'm just feeling super solid about XRP. I wouldn't be surprised if they are trending even right now, but it's just been like every day trending, right? So pretty interesting. Again, I'm still bullish on XRP. I'm long on it. You guys could see we have a lot of brand new stuff coming out, including Trump's prediction of an economic surge, right? Seems like people are starting to feel like, dang, maybe they might be missing out on something. I don't know. People, again, talking about this 85K Bitcoin. This is a big threshold for us. We do need to break out of this 84K. But again, I want to see that weekly close at really around 89. We also see that crypto.com got regulatory approval also in Dubai. So first Binance, now crypto.com. And I told you guys, do not sleep on Dubai. They hold the most cryptocurrency. I know America, they like to flex their crypto and how much they own. Go look up who owns the most cryptocurrency. Number one holder, Dubai. Number two, America. Number three, China. So again, these guys are also trying to be a powerhouse for crypto. They want to be the crypto capital. And one thing I'll tell you guys, and I've been to Dubai, I was around these people, I was sitting down with these people, and let me tell you guys, these boys, they gonna have competition, and I feel like their competition is gonna be Saudi Arabia. Way left field, but Saudi Arabia loves to compete with Dubai. Boy, Dubai builds the biggest building, and Saudi Arabia is already working on a building bigger than that. And guess what? Dubai already caught news of that, and so they're making an even bigger building. I swear to you, it's crazy how these guys compete over this kind of stuff. But we do know also that Trump also likes to compete over this stuff. Trump wanna America to be the #1 crypto capital, right? Didn't you hear Trump say that America's going to be the #1 crypto capital? Well, when you have Dubai doing things like giving Binance $2 billion, approving regulatory stuff as far as their banks being able to provide services for cryptocurrency and stuff like that, and now you're seeing this crypto.com stuff, man. It just seems like these billionaires are buying and accumulating and getting ready for what can possibly be the biggest cycle that we've seen yet in terms of new money coming in. And I really believe that. I think that that we're in a zone of accumulation right now. If we drop down? Yeah, we can drop down. But again, one thing that we're seeing week in and week out, brand new regulation, bullish things happening, Coinbase launching in India, Coinbase launching in Argentina, El Salvador buying Bitcoin, all these countries launching cryptos and stuff. Like, guys, for those of you who have not been here over the past couple years and just understand even where we're at, like, to be bearish right now after everything that we've been through in this space, guys, I mean, I would evaluate that mentality. I feel like, again, we are possibly seeing one of the best accumulation zones that we'll see all year, in my opinion. These pullbacks don't happen often. They don't happen all the time. And some people look at these as the end of the world, and some people look at them as amazing opportunities. Historically, the people who have bought the dip in cryptocurrency, and Bitcoin and blue chips and stuff like that, they tend to do well over time because Bitcoin has had a 100% win rate over time, right? Like, yeah, it has its times where it goes down a little bit, but once it starts making its new all-time high, you look back, it's like, dang, it was kind of doing well the entire time. It just has these little hiccups. But again, so does the stock market, right? The stock market also recovers 100% of the time. So is Bitcoin for sure going to recover? I can't make any income claims. I can't say that that's going to happen for sure. But I will tell you that historically, Bitcoin has done well over time, and so has the stock market. And so I use these times personally as times to be looking at positions, and that's what I've been talking about the entire time. I'm not over here playing with leverage for this exact reason, because we can have this huge pump like we saw today, Bitcoin shooting up all the way 5%, right? And retesting some big zones of resistance and breaking out even of those zones. So I'm not playing with leverage. I'm just patient. If we do want to have another little breakdown, totally cool with that. Give me a little bit of extra time, get my positions for the what I think will be a large cycle. And so again, I'm just looking for things and coins that I like for this 2025 rally. Again, Bitcoin looking pretty good on the 1 month, right? Possibly creating this wedge right here, but also look, we're also creating a rising wedge too. So we just got to continue up on this. We do not want to break it down and see a rejection off this zone, right? Hopefully this was not a blow off top. Also, we got to, again, keep powering through. It's Friday today. We do talk about the fact that, big price action usually happens late in the week, not early in the week, but we do also have to pay attention to the fact that, maybe we'll see a little bit of correction into the weekend. Maybe if we even drop down to, 82 and start holding some support and rebuilding next week, that would be bullish. That would be great. But again, the price action that we're seeing today is pretty good. I'm liking it. So we'll see. We'll see if we can keep running, guys. What do you think? You think the bottom was 78, or do you think we need to have one more retest? Some people thinking that we might see a retest of that 68 level. But again, nobody knows. Nobody could tell the future, right? So I want to know what you guys think. Let me know in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.